screws. Here's the Lakewood. Oh jeez, just kicked the little bench here. Okay, here's the Lakewood 9-inch high velocity wind machine fan, and we're back with the Fantic electric screwdriver again. Now this is another one that's gonna be similar to the last one I did yesterday from the table fan. Now it's going to be used on this Lakewood fan, which is the electric screwdriver. So this one is going to be a little bit simple to take apart. There's basically 4 screws holding the grill and the front grill into place that we need to undo them. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. They are Phillips bits, Phillips screws, so that's a good thing. And this thing still has fully charged to it, so it's good. Perfect for the video. Knowing that these type of screws, these are like smaller screws, I think they'll handle this type of size, but I think we'll go with the medium. And this bit is a size, Phillips number size 1. I'm gonna go see if this one will do it, but here we go. So there's one. Just put it over there for now. You know what I could use as a lid for the screws. Well, that's a little trick. Alright, I'm gonna get a different bit for this because I'm gonna get the strip. Let's see what the size 12. Let's see if that gets it off. Alright, so now the bottoms are off. Now I'm getting the top ones. They are coming out really easily, so that's a good thing. So this is almost gonna be separated. So now the grill is gonna come right off, and here it is. So as you can see inside, this one's also pretty dirty. This one also has pretty much low hours to it as well. Not too bad, and the blades are kind of filthy as well. So this will probably do for another cleaning. And bearings are pretty free on this one. So it's really good. The bearings are free. They're spinning nice and free as they are. The front grille does have a date code on it, and it's from October of 2004. So I think this fan has been sold in the 2004 of October. So yeah, this is pretty much about it for this one here. Although this one does have shiny blades as the iLiving fan, so it's the same fan as well, so there's nothing really too different about this one here. So now what I'm going to go do is put this back together, and this will conclude the video. I'm wondering how long we are going here. It's about 4 minutes, okay. So we'll make it quick here. This is just a quick disassembly process. Just the same as the table fan since yesterday, so like I said, it's very much a different fan this time. I'm just tapping these screws in. I'm not really going full power on this screwdriver because I don't want these screws to strip out. But in addition, I think we'll be okay. It's actually, they're going in pretty easily, so that's pretty much a good thing. Since the holes are lined up evenly on the rim of the grill. Alright, well there you guys have it, guys. The fan is put back together as it is. So, I mean, if you guys enjoyed this video, then I'll probably do more requests on the screwdriver. And probably, I know everyone now likes my new screwdrivers, so I guess now I should probably do more in the future. Which, sure enough, I would do in the future with the new electric screwdriver. Like I said in the last video, I'm going to do a lot of clean and service videos on these fans that I have. So that'll be a really good, compliment over here, you know. So that'll be about it. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Out.